Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into a topic that is set to revolutionize the way India moves, the 2026 Vande Bharat Express. When we first saw the Vande Bharat, it was a symbol of speed and modern aesthetics, but as we look toward the year 2026, this train is evolving into a masterpiece of global standards. This isn't just about a new coat of paint or a slightly faster engine. It represents the pinnacle of Indian engineering and a bold statement of Atmanirbhar Bharat on the world stage. As we anticipate its full-scale rollout, we are looking at a future where the distance between cities shrinks and the quality of travel rivals that of international airlines. The first thing that will strike you about the 2026 version is its blistering speed and efficiency. Engineers are working tirelessly to push the operational limits, aiming for even higher sustained speeds through advanced propulsion systems and lightweight, aerodynamic body designs. This means that a journey that once took an entire day could soon be completed in just a few hours. But speed is nothing without stability. The 2026 model is expected to feature an upgraded suspension system that ensures the ride remains butter-smooth even at its peak velocity. Imagine sitting with a cup of coffee and not seeing a single ripple on the surface while you fly across the countryside at over 160 km per hour. This efficiency also extends to its energy consumption, as these trains are designed to be much greener, utilizing regenerative braking systems that feed power back into the grid, making your journey both fast and eco-friendly. Stepping inside the 2026 Vande Bharat will feel like walking into a luxury lounge. The interior design is undergoing a complete transformation to prioritize passenger comfort and a premium aesthetic. We are talking about ergonomic, green seats that offer better reclining angles and superior lumbar support, ensuring you arrive at your destination refreshed rather than exhausted. The cabin will be bathed in intelligent ambient lighting that adjusts according to the time of day, helping to reduce travel fatigue. One of the most exciting features is the enhancement of the panoramic windows. They are becoming wider and will likely feature smart glass technology that can tint automatically to block out harsh sunlight while still giving you a breathtaking view of the Indian landscape. For those who need to stay productive, the high-speed onboard Wi-Fi and integrated workstations at every seat will turn the train into a mobile office, making it the preferred choice for business travelers. Technology is the backbone of the 2026 edition. We are looking at the implementation of Kavach 2.0, the next generation of India's indigenous automatic train protection system. This manages distances between trains with pinpoint accuracy. Furthermore, the 2026 Vande Bharat will be a smart train, featuring a centralized monitoring system that can predict maintenance needs before a part even fails, ensuring zero breakdowns and maximum punctuality. For the passengers, the digital experience will be seamless, from facial recognition boarding that eliminates the need for physical tickets to a sophisticated infotainment system that offers a library of movies, music, and real-time journey tracking right at your fingertips. The dining experience is also getting a massive upgrade. Moving away from standard railway catering, the 2026 service is expected to partner with top culinary brands to offer a gourmet on wheels experience. Passengers will be able to pre-order specialized meals through an app, ranging from local regional delicacies to international cuisines, all served with a level of hospitality that matches premium air travel. Even the acoustics of the train are being refined. Advanced soundproofing materials in the floor and walls will create a silent cabin experience, allowing you to enjoy your music or a quiet conversation without the traditional clatter of the tracks. Looking at the bigger picture, the 2026 Vande Bharat network is set to connect every major economic hub in the country. This isn't just for the metros. The plan is to link Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, bringing modern infrastructure to the heart of India. This connectivity will act as a catalyst for economic growth, making it easier for people to work in one city and live in another. It's a vision of a more integrated and mobile India. As we look forward to 2026, the Vande Bharat Express stands as a testament to what we can achieve when we combine vision with local talent. It is more than just a train, it is a moving celebration of India's progress. We cannot wait to see it in full glory on the tracks. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on India's amazing journey into the future.